Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, we are discussing applications of derivatives, miscellaneous exercise up to question number 8 we completed. Next question number 9. A tank with rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top is to be constructed so that its depth is 2 meters and volume is 8 cubic meters. Now you can consider it as something like a sump or water tank, okay, with rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top. Okay, this has to be constructed. Its depth is 2 meters. Now it is like a cuboid shape open at the top. Depth is 2 meters, means height is how much? LBH, h is 2 meters and volume is 8 cubic meters. So length into breadth into height is 2 cubic meters given. Okay, building the tank cost 70 rupees per square meter for the base. Okay, for the base one rate and for sides one rate given ma. If building of tank cost rupees 70 per square meter for the base and rupees 45 per square meter for sides. Okay, what is the cost of least expensive tank? What is the cost of least expensive tank? Means we have to minimize the cost here. We have to minimize the cost. Okay, what is given? A tank with rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top. Okay, it is like you can consider as a sump or water tank. Okay, so that its depth is 2 meters. Depth given 2 meters, that is fixed, and volume is fixed. Volume is 8 cubic meters. Okay, the building of tank cost 70 rupees per square meter for the base and 45 rupees per square meter for sides. What is the cost of least expensive tank? Means we have to minimize the cost of construction. Okay, now first of all, if you consider something like this, this is the tank, okay, with base whose sides are x and y. Okay, length is x and breadth is y and height is 2 meters. Okay, open at the top. So volume of a rectangular tank, volume is nothing but it is like a cuboid shape. Okay, length into breadth into height. Okay, so let the length and breadth of the tank be x meters and y meters respectively. Depth is 2 meters. So L is x, B is y and height is 2 meters. So volume of the tank is what? Length into breadth into height. So 2 into x into y. How much given? Volume is 8 cubic meters, no? So 2xy is equal to 8. So xy is equal to how much? 4. xy is equal to 4. So y is equal to x by 4 we can write, y is equal to 4 by x we can write, or x is equal to 4 by y we can write. Okay, so y is equal to 4 by x. Okay, mark this one as 1. Okay, next. Here construction it is nothing but construction of tank is nothing but construction of base and construction of 4 walls. Okay, construction of base plus construction of 4 walls because the top is open. Okay, now area of base is how much? Area of base is x into y. Area of base is x into y. Okay, now 4 walls area, one wall area is 2 into y and opposite wall is also 2y. Okay, now this front wall is 2x and back wall is also 2x. Okay, so area of 4 sides or 4 walls is equal to, this is a 2x plus 2y and back side is 2x and this side is 2y. So 2x plus 2y plus 2x plus 2y, nothing but 4x plus 4y, nothing but 4 into x plus y. 4 into x plus y. My area of base is xy. Area of base is xy. xy. My xy is how much? From here xy is 4. Xy is 4. So area of base is 4. Area of base is 4 square meters. Area of base is 4 square meters. And area of 4 sides is 4 into x plus y. Okay, 4 into x plus y. Okay, what else given ma? Cost of construction for base 70 rupees per square meter and for side walls or for sides is 45 rupees per square meter. Okay, that is what it is written here. Given that cost of construction on base is 70 rupees per square meter and for sides is 45 per square meter. Okay, now cost of construction is how much? Cost of construction is 70 into area of base plus 45 into area of 4 sides. Okay, so cost function C is equal to rupees 70 into area of base plus 45 into area of 4 walls. Okay, so 70 into xy plus 45 into 4, 180 into x plus y. Already we know that xy is 4. Okay, if you write in place of xy 4 into 70, 4 into 70 280 plus 180 into x plus y. Either you write everything in terms of x or everything in terms of y. So as xy is equal to 4 from 1, xy is equal to 4, y is equal to what we can write 4 by x, y is equal to 4 by x. So in place of y if you write 4 by x, so what we get, C is equal to 280 plus 180 into x plus 4 by x. Okay, now this is C of x, function of x now. Now differentiate with respect to x, because for minimum or maximum first derivative equal to 0. For minimum or maximum first derivative equal to 0. So dc by dx equal to 280 constant derivative 0 plus 180 into x derivative 1 plus 4 by x derivative minus 4 by x square. So dc by dx equal to 180 into 1 minus 4 by x square. dc by dx equal to 180 into 1 minus 4 by x square. Okay. Now if you take LCM, LCM is what? X square, 180 into x square minus 4 by x square. Now this is first derivative. This is first derivative. Okay. So dc by dx what we got? 180 into x square minus 4 by x square. Now for minimum or maximum, we'll put first derivative equal to 0. So 180 into x square minus 4 by x square equal to 0. 180 non-zero, no? So x cannot be 0. So x square minus 4 has to be 0. X square minus 4 equal to 0 means x minus 2 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to either 2 or minus 2. X is equal to either 2 or minus 2. What is x here? X is length of tank. It cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. So x equal to minus 2 is not possible. So C is minimum when x is equal to 2. C is minimum when x is equal to 2. Okay. So when x is equal to 2 from 1 x is equal to 2 means y is also 2, 4 by 2. So y is 2. So x2, y2 and height is also given as 2 only, no? So x2, length 2, breadth 2 and depth is also 2. Means all sides equal means it is a cuboid is nothing but cube. Okay. So tank is cube of side 2 meters. Tank is a cube of side 2 meters. Okay. Now cost of construction. So how much it is cost of construction? In place of x2, in place of y2 if you substitute. Okay, already this is a 280, no? 280 plus 180 into 2 plus 2. Okay, 180 into 2 plus 2, nothing but 2 plus 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 into 180, 720, 720 plus 280, 1000 rupees. So minimum cost is how much? 1000 rupees. Okay, minimum cost is 1000 rupees. Okay, now here in the question given that a tank with a rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top to be constructed. Okay, its depth is given as 2 meters and volume is given as 8 cubic meters. Okay, so building of the tank cost rupees 70 rupees per square meter for the base. For construction of base per square meter it is 70 rupees. For construction of walls or sides construction cost is 45 rupees per square meters. What is the cost of least expensive tank? Okay, now suppose this is the tank with length as x and breadth as y and depth as 2 meters. Okay, then volume of the tank is what? Length into breadth into height, 2 into x into y, that is given as 8. So xy is equal to 4. Xy is equal to 4 means y is equal to 4 by x. Y is equal to 4 by x. Y is equal to 4 by x. Okay, now area of the base area is how much? Xy, and area of 4 walls or area of 4 sides, that is this is 2y. Okay, front wall or front side is 2x, back side is also 2x, 2x plus 2x, 4x. Okay, this side is 2y and this side is also 2y, 2y plus 2y, 4y, 4x plus 4y, nothing but 4 into x plus y. This is area of 4 sides or 4 walls. Okay, now given that construction cost is 70 rupees per square meter for base and 45 rupees per square meter per sides. So cost of construction, see if you consider it as 70 into base area, how much? Xy, 70 into xy plus 45 into side area. Sides area, how much total sides area? 45, 4 into x plus y, no? Already we know that xy is equal to 4. So C is equal to 280 plus 180 into x plus y. Y we can write as 4 by x. So 180 into x plus 4 by x. Now C is equal to 280 plus 180 into x plus 4 by x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So what we get? 180 into x derivative 1 plus 4 by x derivative minus 4 by x square. For least cost, first derivative equal to 0. By putting first derivative 0, we got x is equal to plus or minus 2. X equal to minus 2 is rejected because x cannot be negative as it is length of the tank. Okay, so x equal to 2 is a point of minima. Okay, now at x is equal to 2, y is also 2. So x2, y2, depth is also 2. The tank is nothing but in cube shape. Okay, so least cost of construction from 2 in place of x and y substitute 2. So we will get C as 1000 rupees. So least cost of construction is 1000 rupees. Okay, next question. Next question, question number 10. Question number 10. The sum of perimeter of a circle and square is k. The sum of perimeter of circle and square is given as k, where k is some constant. Okay, prove that the sum of their areas is least when side of the square is double the radius of circle. Now what is question? Sum of perimeter of circle and square is given as some constant k. Okay, prove that the sum of their areas is least, sum of the areas is least when the side of the square is double the radius of the circle. Okay, side of the square is double the radius of the circle. Okay, suppose radius of the circle is r and side of the square is x, you have to prove that x is equal to 2 times of r. Area is least when x is equal to 2 times of r. Okay, now solution of this one. Well, let x be the side of the square and r be the radius. Let x be the side of the square and r be the radius of the circle. Perimeter of circle is what? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r and perimeter of square is 4 into side length. So perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and perimeter of square is 4x. Okay, what is given in the question? Sum of perimeter of circle and square is some constant. Okay, so perimeter of circle is 2 pi r plus perimeter of square is 4x. This total is given as some constant. Okay, so from here 4x is equal to what? 4x is equal to k minus 2 pi r. X is equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4. Simple thing, you write everything in terms of r or everything in terms of x, that's it. Okay, so what I am writing? X is equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4. Okay, mark this one as 1. Now what we have to minimize? Sum of their areas, means sum of the areas of square and circle. Okay, area of square is, as side length is x, area of square is what? X square. Okay, as radius is r, area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so area is equal to x square plus pi r square. This is equal to x square. Ma, what is x? Ma, k minus 2 pi r by 4, that is x. So x square is k minus 2 pi r by 4 whole square plus pi r square. This is area of circle. Area of square plus area of circle. Okay, now square, denominator 4 square is 16, 1 by 16 into k minus 2 pi r whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, that is k square minus 4k into pi r plus b square. 2 pi r whole square is 4 pi square r square. Okay, plus pi r square. Okay, now here everything is in terms of r. No, here changing quantity is r. K is constant, changing quantity is r. So differentiate with respect to r. Differentiate with respect to r. So what we get? dA by dr. This is a, dA by dr is equal to, dA by dr is equal to 1 by 16 constant, 1 by 16 into k constant, k square constant, derivative 0, minus 4k pi constant, minus 4k pi into r derivative with respect to r is 1. So minus 4k pi plus 4 pi square constant, r square derivative 2r. So 2 into 4 pi square, that is 8 pi square r, plus this pi r square derivative, pi constant, r square derivative 2r, that is 2 pi r. So dA by dr is equal to 1 by 16 into minus 4k pi plus 8 pi square r plus 2 pi r. Okay, now this is first derivative. This is first derivative. Now again differentiating with respect to r. So d square a by dr square, d square a by dr square is equal to 1 by 16 constant. Now minus 4k pi, there is no r term, so it is constant, constant derivative 0, plus 8 pi square constant, r derivative with respect to r is 1. So 8 pi square into 1 by 16, 1 by 16 into 0 plus 8 pi square plus 2 pi r derivative with respect to r is 2 pi. Okay, now 8 pi square by 16, 8 ones, 8 twos. So what we have? Pi square by 2 plus 2 pi. So d square a by dr square is 2 pi plus 2. This is always positive constant, always positive. Okay, second derivative is positive. Now for minimum or maximum, what we'll do? We'll put first derivative equal to 0. Okay, for minima or maxima, put dA by dr equal to 0. dA by dr equal to 0. So dA by dr, how much we have here? dA by dr is 2 pi r, 2 pi r minus 4k pi by 16 plus 8 pi square by 8 pi square r by 16. Okay, this quantity is equal to 0. Okay, now from these two terms take r common and write here 4 cancel, no, minus k pi by 4, write this side, that is k pi by 4. Now from these two terms, by taking r common, r into, here we have 2 pi, here 8 ones, 8 twos cancel, no? So pi square by 2. So r into 2 pi plus pi square by 2 is equal to k pi by 4. Okay, so r is equal to what will get? Cross multiply this term this side, k pi by 4 upon 2 pi plus pi square by 2. Okay, if you take LCM, 4 pi plus pi square by 2, okay, 2 cancel. So k pi by, and pi in numerator, pi in denominator also cancel, no? So what we get? K numerator, 2 cancel, 2 into 4 plus pi, so nothing but 8 plus 2 pi in denominator. So r is equal to how much we got? K upon 8 plus 2 pi. R is equal to k upon 8 plus 2y. Okay, now already this is one critical point. R is equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi is one critical point. Okay, one critical point. Now second derivative at r is equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi, second derivative is positive, no? Already second derivative is constant, positive constant, so second derivative is positive. Okay, so d square a upon dr square is positive, so area is least area is least, combined area is least when radius is equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Okay, area is least when radius of circle is k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Okay, now substituting this r value in 1, so what is x? X is equal to k minus 2 pi r upon 4. So x is equal to 1 by 4 into k minus 2 pi r. K minus 2 pi into what is r? R is k upon 8 plus 2 pi. K upon 8 plus 2 pi. Now if you take LCM, what we get? 8 plus 2 pi. So k into 8 plus 2 pi. K into 8 plus 2 pi minus 2k pi. Okay. So k into 8 plus 2 pi, nothing but 8k plus 2k pi minus 2k pi plus 2 pi k cancel, and what we have? 8k upon 8 plus 2 pi into 1 by 4. 4 ones, 4 twos. So what we have? 2k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Okay. So 2 into k upon 8 plus 2 pi. K upon 8 plus 2 pi is nothing but r, no? Okay. So x is equal to 2r. X is equal to 2r. Okay. So area, combined area is least when side of the square is double the radius of the circle. Okay. Now here x is equal to what we got? X is equal to 2r. So area is least when side of the square is equal to double the radius of the circle. Okay. I'll repeat once again. What is given here is sum of perimeter of circle and square is given as some constant. Okay. Now if you consider x as the side of square and r is the radius of the circle, perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and perimeter of square is 4x. They combined, their total is k. So 2 pi r plus 4x is equal to k. So 4x is equal to k minus 2 pi r. X is equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4. X is equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4. Now sum of their areas means area of square plus area of circle. So area of square is x square because side length is x. Area of circle is pi r square. X square, x is what? K minus 2 pi r by 4. So k minus 2 pi r by 4 whole square plus pi r square. Okay. So denominator 4 square is 16. 1 by 16 into k minus 2 pi r whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus pi r square. Okay. So 1 by 16 into what we got? K square minus 4k pi r plus 4 pi square r square plus pi r square. Now here changing quantity is r, so differentiate with respect to r. So dA by dr is equal to what we got? 1 by 16 into k square derivative 0 minus 4k pi r derivative 1, so minus 4k pi plus 8 pi square r plus r pi r square derivative 2 pi r. Okay. Now if you differentiate again, second derivative d square a by dr square 1 by 16 into, this is constant, minus 4k pi constant 0, 8 pi square constant, r derivative with respect to r is 1, so 8 pi square plus 2 pi. Okay. Here 8 cancel, no? So pi square by 2 plus 2 pi. Okay. 2 pi plus pi square by 2 is obviously positive. Second derivative is positive. Now for minimum or maximum, put first derivative equal to 0. Okay. dA by dr equal to 0. So what we got? R is equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Okay. Now second derivative at r is equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi is positive. So area is least when r is equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Okay. By second derivative test, area is minimum when r is equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Now we have to find side length of square, no? So x is equal to what? From 1, x is equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4 into k minus 2 pi into what is r? K upon 8 plus 2 pi. Now take LCM 8 plus 2 pi. 8 plus 2 pi comes here. K into 8 plus 2 pi, nothing but 8k plus 2 pi k minus 2 pi k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Now 2 pi k cancel. One plus term, one minus term cancel. So 8k upon 8 plus 2 pi into 1 by 4. Okay, 4 ones, 4 twos. So 2k upon 8 plus 2 pi, that is nothing but 2 into k upon 8 plus 2 pi. Okay. Now this is nothing but radius, no? So 2r, x is equal to 2r. Okay. So what we have? Area is least when side of the square is double the radius of the circle. Okay. Now we will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.